It's time for a plans video. Let's get right on to it. So I don't want to waste your time. So if that's some content you would like to see, keep on watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rochelle from Rochelle.Handmade.Designs, and in this video we are going to be talking about my November sewing plan. So if you watched the video from the other day, then you will know that I talked about the pants series. Okay, now even though I told you the different style of pants, now it's time for me to show you the fabrics that I will be using to create many of the style of pants. Okay, so before we get started, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. If you are new to the channel, welcome, hello, ciao, guten tag, aloha, hola, konnichiwa, wagwan, bonjour. If you are returning, you know what to do. Go get you something to drink and then come on back and come chill with me as we talk about, or I'll just show you the fabric and the plans that I have for November. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into this video. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about the November 2022 sewing plans that I have. So you guys know it's the pants series, so there's no reason not to know by now this is the pants series. So I'm going to show you the fabrics. I'm not going to show you the patterns because, like I said, the patterns may change. So I don't want you to be hammered on what pattern I'm going to sew, more of the style I'm going to sew. All right, so the first fabric is this one, and I'm going to tell you where I picked each and every one of these up from as well. But let me open it up so you guys can see this very well. Now this is 100% Ankara print. I picked this fabric up from, I believe it was House of Mami Wata. Actually, it was House of Mami Wata. This is 6 yards of fabric. Now for this one, I am using this for the slim straight leg, which is one of the first pant patterns that I will be doing. Now, like I said in the pant series video, there were a few pattern options I gave you: McCall 6901, Simplicity 1165, Simplicity 9270, and the Style Art Anna pants. I will be choosing one of those patterns in order to, you know, use this and create like a top or whatever to go with this the pants. So I'll show you that. For this. Now this one, I'm just going to show you what pattern I have chosen for these pants because it's not really a big secret for this one. But I chose Simplicity 9270 in order to do this, and I want to make this more like lounge fitted pants. And I know my girl Dayana at 26 by Dayana, she made these and she said that she likes to fit on these. So that's why I went ahead and chose this pattern to do the straight slim leg. Once again, it's Simplicity 9270. I will be doing what the model is wearing, view A and view C for these elastic pants. Now, one thing I'm going to do 2 rolls of elastic instead of a single roll of elastic, and I will probably taper the pants in just a little bit. I'm not sure, but this is the pattern that I plan on using for the slim straight leg pant number 1. All right, so the next one, now this one is going to be for the pant series, but this is also my Veterans Day look that I am going to be doing. All right, now the goal is to do a 2-piece set for this as well. I know you like a 2-piece set, yeah. I'm using the rest of this fabric. Now you guys have seen this fabric when I did the collaboration with Natita from So Natural Dane. We did a circle skirt, and I did that as part of the skirt series. The pattern was Simplicity 9123, which the old pattern was Simplicity 1200. So I'll go ahead and put that up on the screen, the photos of that, as well as in the description box below, because that had a sew along for it. Now, also what I'm planning on doing for this 2-piece is, for the top portion of it, I want to color block. You could call it a color block style. So my plan is for the top to use this sugarcane print right here, but then also use the floral as well, kind of like what I did for the skirt. Just basically play around with the prints. Now I told you guys I had 18 yards of this fabric, so I have this left, and then I have 6 yards of the sugarcane left and 12 more yards of this print left. So I have quite a bit of, I'm sorry, 6 more yards of this print left. So I still have quite a bit of this print to use, and I want to use majority or all of it up for my Veterans Day look that I cannot wait to share with you. Now this will be the peg leg pants that I have planned, the peg and tapered pants that I have planned for the pant series, which is pant number 2. I will not show you the pattern that I plan on using for this because yes, I've been planning this fabric for a very long time. Okay, so yeah, that's what this is going to be used for. So this is pant number 2. All right, and then for pants number 3, now this is the wide leg pants. Now this is part of a collaboration that I have going on with Rebecca from Ankara.Rack at Ankara.Rack on Instagram. And what we will be collaborating on is Black Panther. Okay, so if you guys don't know, Black Panther is going to be releasing November 11th. So this is going to be my look for that. Now this will, okay, so we do not know what patterns we're gonna sew, okay? Neither one of us. She doesn't know what I'm gonna make. I don't know what she's going to make. But because this is the pant series, I am making a 2-piece set, okay? So it will be pants and something else. I do have the pattern, which I'm not going to show because this is a collaboration. So you will see this on the 13th. So stay tuned for that November 13th when that collaboration video drop. Of course, I haven't sewn it yet, so I still have a little time to do so. But this will be pant series and pant number 3, the white leg pants or the flared pants. All right, so for the next pair of pants or whatever, this fabric is old. I picked it up from Joann's. Now let me go back one. So for the sugarcane fabric, which I'm going to put all, like I said, I'm going to put them all up on the screen, but that fabric is from Dose of Fabric for what I'm going to be using for the peg tapered pants, and then what I'm going to be using for Black Panther inspired look. I am going to, or for the movie coming out, I got that fabric from House of Mommy Watches. So they're on the screen when I showed those, but I just wanted to say that again. Now this fabric right here will be used for the skinny jeans. So this is denim fabric that I picked up many moons ago. I'm just gonna say that this fabric's been in my stash for about 5-6 years. Okay, so I'm finally pulling it out to use for some skinny jeans. Now I am going to show you the pattern that I am planning on doing for this because I am doing 2 patterns. Okay, now, and when I say I'm doing 2 patterns, I would like to use all of the fabric up as I am planning these things. Okay, so the first one for the skinny jeans, I plan on using Mimi G Simplicity 8222, which for the plus size is, I believe it's 8516 for the plus size of the same pattern. Now this has been in my stash forever. I have sewn this pattern twice before. I do not have the pants that I sewn in my stash anymore. I gave a leopard print to my sister, and then I sewn a black pair a very long time ago, and it did not fit. Okay, so I'm doing it again. Now the leopard print that I sewn for my sister, well, it was mine and I gave it to her, they did fit. So I know the sizing that I cut then would probably fit now, because I didn't really gain any weight in the hips or anything, not much, and plus they're supposed to stretch, right? So this is for the skinny jeans. However, I am also using the same fabric because I have 9 yards of this fabric. Now I know this print is sold out at Joann's, so sorry there, okay, for this heart print. But I want to use, if there's anything left, which I'm hoping there will be enough to do, this skirt right here by Mimi G, and it's Simplicity 8466. This is a very old pattern from fall 2017. So this is what I plan on doing for this fabric, to do the skirt as well as the pants. So that's the plan to do for this one. And I think this is pants number 4 in the pants series. All right, so the next thing, now Joann's cut these in 2 separate cuts because this was already cut. So I'm just gonna show this, but it's 2 of these, right? So this is just a broadcloth fabric picked up from Joann's. I think I got it on sale for like $2.99. Now this is going to be used as my cargo pants. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I'm testing a pattern to see if I like the style of this pattern, which I will not be showing you this pattern because I'm up in the air. If I don't like the pattern, I already have plans on switching it in enough time, because I'm going to be using a muslin to test the fit and then use this to sew the main fabric. Now, I gave you guys a lot of pattern options for the cargo pants. I'm just going to choose one of those styles that I already suggest to you in the pant series video. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. But this is, I'm going to put it up on the screen, of course. This is a broadcloth fabric picked up from Joann's, and it's in like a Hunter Forest green. I'm going to put it up on the screen so you know what this fabric is. All right, so the next one is overalls, and this fabric is from House of Mommy Wata. I picked it up, I want to say I picked this up sometime in 2021 for sure. I love this print, okay? I love the big floral, you know, looking flowers on it. Now this one, like I said, will be used for the overalls, the dungarees. I'm not sure, to be honest. I don't know what pattern I want to use. Now, I also don't know if I want to use, I have 3 patterns that I am looking at. I don't know which one I want to do. I am torn between, there's a Simplicity, a McCall's, the one that I told you for the overall was it was 2 or 3, it was 3 Simplicity patterns and 1 McCall pattern. So I am torn. I'm just going to tell you the pattern numbers based off of my video. I'm torn between Simplicity 8447, Simplicity 9590, Simplicity 9382, and McCall's 8204. So I don't know which one I want to do. I have an idea, but when you're looking at this print, which one should I do? Tell me in the comment section below, write overall and write the pattern number you think I should do. I might choose it, you never know. But this is for the overall, which would be pant number, I think 6. Yeah, pant number 6. All right, so that's it for the pant series and what I plan on sewing for the month of November. All right, so that's everything that I'm going to be sewing, or the fabrics. I might add a couple of more things. You know how I do if I have time. But that's all the things that I'm going to be sewing here in the month of November. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So I'll catch you in the next video. And as always, keep sewing.